In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Loop components in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to loop.cloud.microsoft. Using the web version gives you a clean workspace to build components you can share across Microsoft 365. Make sure you sign in with the same Microsoft account you use for Teams, so everything syncs smoothly and permissions line up. Once you're signed in, look for the Create New option and choose Page to start a fresh workspace. Think of a page as a flexible canvas. Give it a clear, descriptive title so collaborators know its purpose, and add the content you want to share. You can type text, insert tables, or organize information into simple headings. Keep things concise and structured so the component is easy for others to pick up and edit. When your content is ready to be shared, move to the top of the page and click the Share button. Among the sharing choices, select Copy as Loop component. Depending on your browser settings, you may be prompted to grant permission for the site to copy a link to your clipboard. Allowing that is necessary so you can paste the component link into Teams. If your browser asks, accept or permit clipboard access. Next, switch over to Microsoft Teams and open the chat or channel where you want to place the Loop component. In the chat message box, paste the link you copied and hit send. The link will appear as a Loop file option in the conversation rather than a plain URL. That makes it easy for other people to spot and open. When a recipient clicks the Loop file option, they will be redirected to the collaborative component you created. They can view and edit the content in real time, and changes will sync back to the original Loop page. This makes it ideal for quick brainstorming, live note-taking, or maintaining a shared table without switching between apps. A few tips to keep in mind. Name your pages clearly, keep content focused so collaborators know what to edit, and check that everyone has the appropriate access through your organization's settings if someone can't open the component. Using Loop components in Teams keeps collaboration fluid and reduces context switching, so you can move faster